Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And you might remember this house. This is the estate sale house that I bought about 2 months ago, and I don't want you to confuse it with the gigantic dollhouse that I am working on. I bought this one about a week before I bought the other one, and I did something to it. I did some things to it, and I have a lot of handmade items in there, which I want to give you a tour of. Over here, I did do some improvement. This over here, the borders of the door, they were beige. They looked old, but when I painted it white, it just made it stand out. Then this is the original window, and as you can see, it doesn't look that transparent. It doesn't look too clear. Now, I was missing a window here, and I made an improvement because I used a certain plastic, and look how clear it looks. It looks better than the original one. So I think that was an improvement. Now, you see these here, these sticks, I have to place 2 of them there to make them look the same. That's the kitchen over there, but we are going to go inside and take a look. It's in pretty good condition. This is the side. And I'll light up the bathroom and the girls' room when we get to them. But why don't we take a look at the kitchen? Now, this kitchen, I am calling it the poker chip kitchen. Why? Because it has those poker chips as stools, and it also has a deck of cards. Well, not a whole deck of cards, but I bought a deck of cards. You know that brings like 52 cards, right? I bought it for like about $1.99. They were oversized, so they were perfect for projects. I think the kitchen came out cute. Then over here, I have a video that I already posted. This counter here is a toothpaste box. That's all it is. And I used the cards. I had to do some cutting, but I used some cards to make it nice here and here. Then I had these other pieces. The poker chips are glued to a spool of thread. Look at that. Aren't they cute? I think they came out cute. Then these are artificial leaves. Over there, I have a Fisher-Price plastic refrigerator. And look at that stove. I like the way the stove came out. These are plastic bins. You can see that it has a handle here. So I removed the handle from that one and placed it in the front of this one. So this one looks like you're going to open the oven. And then the burners are actually buttons. That was my idea of burners. And look at the background. From a card. You can do so much with that. You can make tabletops and frames. Then I have the sink, another bin with a hook. I get those at the Dollar Tree. Then there's the sink in there. That's from Philadelphia cream cheese. The gray one, the gray part is from Philadelphia cream cheese, and this part is a top from a prescription pill box. This nice paper here is really a file folder. Beautiful file folder. And this is decorative paper that I use for my dollhouses. So this is the kitchen. So let's move over to the living room. Now the living room here See the stairs? This part was not there. So I used a Jenga block, a Jenga wood block, and I stuck it there with glue, and then I placed this little piece here to make it look like the end of the stairs, to make it look a little finished. Then I made a fireplace. This fireplace is handmade. I have a little magnet like this. I actually have two of them that I bought at a long time ago, like about 20 something years ago. I bought them, and I'm using them in the foyer entrance of the gigantic dollhouse. So what I did was I made a copy of one of those, and I took a marker, a metallic marker, and I filled it in. So now it looks like the real thing. So I placed it between two Jenga blocks. You can see that it says Jenga right there. It's from a game. And I stuck it all together with cardboard, and it looks like a nice fireplace there. Tea light doesn't work, but I took a little marker and made it look like it slid up. Artificial plant here. This is from a magazine where I got that from. Remember those books? In the foyer entrance of my gigantic dollhouse, I made a bookshelf, and I have a whole bunch of these. And I got these strips of books from the cover of the back of a magazine, and look at how beautiful. I ended up cutting strips to make them look like books, and I also used Jenga blocks here, the same that I used here, to make it look like books. So that looks like a little bookshelf there. This here, I got the plastic sofa right there, and this is a soap. My aunt gave me this soap, and I have a few others. They're really good, but this is just temporary that I have it in there. Then the rug is a mouse pad. The black part, that is a mouse pad, and this is a napkin, the gray one. But it all blends in. It all blends in with the fireplace. Then I have two pieces of cork on the sides. So that is the cute little living room. The door, as you know, does open. Then I have a Christmas tree that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and it lights up. It's on right now. This is a little artificial cake on a poker chip, on a white poker chip. Then this is just a plastic piece that I have, and a little button on top. Nice tabletop. You can see into the kitchen from here. And then I used calendar pictures, little calendar pictures. They blended in because look at the border. It's the same green as this, but the blue matches with this. And I have a file folder that has the two colors, the deep blue and the green. So it all looks good together. Look at that. The colors just go. Now the cake is really tissue. What I did was I just crumbled up some tissue and I placed it inside a little glass, little tiny glass. And when I took it out, I wet it before I put it in there. So when I took it out, it had the shape of a cake. And all I did was take some magic markers and just, painted it like it fits a cake. That's all I did. That's it for the living room. So that's it. Oh, the column. This is something that was not there. I took a tube, a cylinder. I wrapped it up with that nice decorative paper. And I used 2 napkin rings, top and bottom. And I gave the living room a nice division right there. Then over here we have a little master bedroom. As you can see, the bed is 2 tissue packs. And And the legs are from the toothpaste. The little caps from the toothpaste. The rug there is a napkin. And underneath is one of those file folders that I told you about. Then I have a handmade dresser there. I used a mirror from My Cosmetics and I made a dresser, a little fancy chair over there. Then over there where it leads to the stairs, there was nothing there. But I glued these Jenga blocks to the floor so that it looks like some type of stairway, like a rail type, like that. You know what I'm saying? So then if we move over to the bathroom here, this is the bathroom. Also handmade, everything here is handmade. Look at the tub. The tub is a soap box. And then up there, see this part up here? This here? This is the cap of a shaver. So I stuck it there. It looks like where you would put the soap and all that stuff. And these are two little hardware pieces that I'm using as like the faucet. Then there's a handmade toilet there from soap cap and a little tic-tac box, the top from the tic-tac box that makes the tank of the toilet. Then I made a little sink there. So this is all handmade here. The floor is from marker board calendar. And again, that paper. Let me take you over to the little girl's room right here. This is also handmade stuff. The bed is handmade. The rug with the stars is a napkin. The door is from a planner. Look at it on this side. I ripped it out of a cover of a calendar planner, and it had that transparent oval part there, which was great as a door. So that's all that is. Then I took some pieces of paper from a magazine, flowers, stuff like that, and I just used them as art decor in this room, and then some butterflies just to liven up this room. And that's it. It's pretty plain. So I'm not sure yet what I will be doing with this house, but I wanted to give you the tour. I hope that you've enjoyed it. And thank you for watching.